Hello students, so today I am going to explain you question number 9 from exercise 13.7. So the question is, a heap of a wheat is in the form of cone. So let us draw here heap. So it is in the form of cone. So it will be like, so it is in the form of cone whose diameter. So first of all we'll write down the given things so that we'll get the exact idea what you have to find out. So diameter of a heap that is given 10.5 meter. So 10.5 meter is the diameter. Then height, so this height, so let us take this diameter. It will form like this. Base will be circular. So diameter is given and the height is given. Height of a heap is equals to, it is given 3 meter. Find its volume. So we need to find out the volume of heap. So heap is in the conical shape. We don't know this. And the heap is covered by canvas to protect it from the rain. Find the area of canvas required. So it is protected by the canvas to store it or protect it from the rain. So when it is asked to find out the canvas required, it means what? On its lateral surface or the curved surface, we will put the canvas. Not to the base, because in the base we will have the floor. Only the curved surface area or the curved surface we will cover with the canvas. So find the area of the canvas required. So we need to find out here CSA. So the two things we have to find out. CSA of a heap equals to what? So one by one we'll find out. So first we'll find out the volume of heap. So it is the conical shape. So the shape is conical. So volume of a cone 1/3 into pi r square h. So 1/3 into pi, as we know this is 22/7 r. So diameter is 10.5. So you can take r here. Find out r. 10.5 divided by 2. So here you can find out. So this I'll convert into the fraction first. So 1/2 I'll take outside. 105. So 1 point we have here. So 0/1. So here you will get 105 divided by 2 tens are 20. So you can divide here. 2 ones are. So keep this 10 as it is. 2 twos are. Otherwise how we can do? We will not do. We will take this as 105 divided by 20 only will keep, because we don't want here decimals. We are avoiding decimals for easy calculation. So 105 divided by 20. So it is in meter. This is the radius. So r square. So 105 divided by 20 into 105 divided by 20. Into height is given 3. So 3 ones are. 3 ones are. Then 7 and 105 we can divide. So 7 ones are. This 105 I will divide. 7 ones are 7. So 3 remains. 7 5s are 35. So 1/1 is 1. 1 into 22 is 22/1 is same. Into 105 into 75. Divide with 20 into 20. So here also you can do this. You can divide with 2. 2 tens are. 2 11s are. So if possible you can divide this also with this 75 or 105. So I'll divide with 5. So 5 4s are 20. 5 1s are 5. 2 remains. 5 5s are. Then again here we have the 4 even number. So in table of even number 4 even number only comes, and these are odd. So 11 into 105 into 15 divided by, here 10 and 15 you can divide if you want, into 4. So 5 2s are. 5 3s are. So 11 3s are 33 into 105 divided by 2 4s are 8. So 33 into 105 divided by 8 you can do here, because we don't have the common factor other than 1. So multiply numerator and divide with denominator. So you'll get the final answer as 86.625. As it is volume, you have to write in cubic unit. So unit is meter. So meter cube. Next question is CSA of a heap. So let us find out the CSA of a heap. So therefore second question here, the CSA or the curved surface area of heap, that will give the CSA of canvas. So that is the main question. We need to find out the curved surface area of canvas. So the curved surface area of a cone, that formula we have to apply here. So that is pi RL. So pi is 22/7 and R is 105 divided by 20 into L. So now we need here slant height. L is a slant height. You can see here. So diameter it is 10.5 meter. Then height is 3 meter. You need to find out slant height. And as we know in cone there is formation of right angle triangle. So two sides you know, third side you can find out by Pythagoras property. So here we'll find out the L. This is a slant height we have to find out the CSA. So L square equals to H square plus R square. So here L square we don't know. H is 3 meter. So 3 square into R is 105 upon 20 its square. So if you want, you can convert this 105 and 20 to the lowest form. So here I'll do 105. So divide with 5. 5 2s are 5 1s are 5 4s are 20. 21 divided by 4 you can use here. So 3 square is 9 plus 21 divided by 4 its square. So L square equals to 9 plus 21 square and 4 square you have to do separately. 21 square is 441. 4 square is 16. Now we got here fraction. So calculate this. 16 nines are. So I'll do the cross multiplication. 16 nines are is 144 plus 441 whole divided by 16. So L square is 144 plus 441, that is will get 585 upon 16. So as we need here L, we have to find out the square root of this. So what total I got in numerator I wrote here. So to find out the L, we need to shift this square this side. So it will get converted into the square root equals to. So divide this first. So that will get this as root 36.5625. Then find out the root of this decimal using the division method. So we'll get L as 6.05 meter. So L is 6.05 meter. So pi RL, L we need 6.05 here. So you'll get here the area. So 7 and 105 can divide. 7 ones are 7. 1s are 7, 3 remains, 7 5s are 22 upon 1 is 22, 15 upon 20 into this 605, convert into the fraction. So 100. So 5 3s are 5 4s are, then 2 2s are 2 11s are 11 into 3 by 2 into 605 into here 100. So multiply this numerator and divide with the denominator, that is 200. Otherwise further you can divide this if you want. Here 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 0. So 11 3s are 33 into 121 divided by here 2 into 20. So 2 and 33 21 we cannot divide completely. 20 and these also we cannot divide completely. So 33 into 21 you have to do and divide with 2 into 20 is 40. So if you divide numerator and denominator, you will get the answer as 99.825. As it is area, we have to convert. We have to find this in squares. So the unit is meter. So the area of a heap, CSA of a heap of a CS of a canvas is 99.825 meters square.